this has been awfully long due. But nevertheless, it's finally happening. We are very excited because gifts always, I think it just makes both of us very happy. Makes anybody very happy. But
and it's Diwali, if not Christmas.
Yeah, so it's a very appropriate time. And I hope we're not too late. Yeah. Well, this is to Aksa for Karan and Crystal from Team Krianians. There's a phone number also.
पढ़े नहीं इस बार?
हैं?
तुम पढ़े नहीं phone number इस बार?
नहीं. Oh, very cool. There's 2 books.
Like last time that we were singing.
Which is very cool. It's from one of the interviews only that we did with Telebytes. It's it's very appropriate because it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and both's just around the corner. So it is still not very late.
In fact, you're early.
Dear Karan and Crystal, here is something special for you too. On the occasion of Christmas and New Year, the book is compiled of your Christmas memories from previous years and messages and edits from all your fans around the world. Hope it brings the smile on your face, just like the one it brings on ours. Oh, there's some fun questions. Let's... Here.
Page number. Sir, page number.
List 3 things that makes your friendship so strong even after 4 years.
4 years? Okay.
List 3 things. I'm listening.
Friendship so strong after 4 years. I think, first of all, both of us are very positive. We are very fun people. So, we exchange positive.
I think both of us are most fun people. We are fun people. We are most fun.
We are most fun people. Second thing is because we are adjusting people also. We adjust to each other's mood, each other's.
There is nothing to adjust to me.
Okay, see, I adjusted right now. So that's second, and third is third. बोलो ना, तुम भी तो कुछ बोलो.
I think that's a very funny one. I can't say it on camera. I think what makes our friendship really strong is actually that it is honest. It's an honest friendship. There is no क्या कहते हैं कोई उसके पीछे कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो I think honest friendship है. ये honestly बनी थी, बड़ी organically बनी थी, बड़ी naturally. Crystal and I became friends and we didn't hit it off immediately, but over a period of time we started to enjoy each other's company. And I think relationships, friendships that grow like this organically, naturally, are the real friendships that really stay with you for a long time. And I think that's the topmost for me. So that is all my 3 things.
Favorite Virika scene? Do you have
Thank
your
you very
favorite
much for cutting me.
interview?
You have your favorite Virika scene. Do you have a favorite Kriyan interview? Favorite Kriyan interview? I think वो Telebytes वाला जो हमने Christmas में किया था was pretty funny. That was mental.
The one that we're singing, na?
That was Christmas. I don't know what it
This
was.
one? Yeah, jo title.
Whatever.
This
I don't know
one,
what
this
this
one.
was though.
Like you're wearing a black and a pink thing written on it.
Yeah. And I got a fresh haircut. I was very excited.
Yeah.
So I think that's my favorite interview. Most
And favorite scene, obviously, I think the dupatta scene is one of our favorite scenes.
Yeah.
है ना? We are on the same page.
We're on the same page.
Chalo. If you have to make a request for a Kriyan VM, which song would you like to choose?
ए दिल है मुश्किल. इस बार हमने आपको एक वो दिया क्या कहते हैं उसको VM दी है क्योंकि we've just performed a very beautiful song. I think it's topping my favorites right now. I'm obsessed with the track and I was very happy when we had the option to dance on this song. So it's a very beautiful song. It's going to look hopefully very nice. I feel it's a very beautiful performance. Also, I've personally enjoyed and relished this performance a lot. And it's going to bring Virika back after a very long time on television. So, here's a VM from us to you on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. So watch it.
I'm so happy. आज भी आप Twitter खोलो and you open any of your social media, you see so many VMs on all the latest songs even now on us and all the Virika moments. So I think it's beautiful. You have to watch them even now. So this is a little present from our side to you.
I said just the same thing right now.
Adjusting.
Whatever. The one thing you don't like about each other. Let's move on. KD once mentioned about cooking for.
No.
KD once mentioned about cooking
it
for
up.
KT.
She was cooking it up.
Has she done it yet? I don't even remember if Crystal ever
Mentioned it also.
that she A can cook and B will cook. So
You're cooking it up.
That's the answer. It's not happened.
One gift you've given each other which is very special and memorable. Each other. You've given each other also, na?
Very bad. Yeah.
Very bad. Actually, tell me what gift have you given me?
I think gift of time.
Even more bad. This one.
Now moving on. तेरे बिना गुजारा. Let's go to page where our pictures are next.
Even that performance was nice. मैं हूँ hero तेरा.
Well, there's a lot of cute things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly read out the names of whoever sent out messages, because to read all of these right now is going to be very hard. We'll definitely read them later. Well, Ashna, Samin,
Dia, Ravina,
Munaza, Daisy. Another hideous picture of us.
Abir,
Afshan, Ishika Jaggi.
Harjot Kaur.
Another couple of really good pictures of us. Alina Love Stacker. Mwah.
Farheen Nazir.
Ambreen from Lahore, Pakistan.
Prachi Bajaj from New Delhi.
Well, that's a nice picture, so I'm going to turn it around. It's in bare essentials, early morning. I don't know when they took this shot. While I was just sipping on my coffee, innocently.
Oh, such a candid shot it was.
It's candid. This is
So candid.
Manal from Saudi Arabia, Prachi
same page.
Bajaj, Fauzia, and there is some scary pictures of Crystal.
It's nice pictures. I like.
Farheen, again from Lahore, Pakistan. I don't know why I like saying it like that. Harjot Kaur.
I said all these things.
Who's listening to you? Abir from Saudi Arabia. Mamma mia.
Yumna.
Wallah. Oh. If I could just smell my own hair.
It's my Pantene hair.
Rubina Dia. Oh God.
Oh, this is our first performance. Oh, Gold Awards. There are a lot of our performances.
Mariam from Karachi, Pakistan.
Nagratna.
Nagaratna.
Nagaratna.
Fabulous pictures you put in this.
Oh, you were just eating an apple candid, na?
Yeah, I don't know.
He was just eating
मैं ऐसे
candid.
खाना खा रहा हूँ तो पता नहीं कब ये photos ले लेते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
एप्पल खाता हूँ, फोटो लेते हैं.
Okay.
मैं सोचता हूँ फोटो लेते हैं.
Okay. Suganja. Aganja? Please put a tagline for this and send it to me. Vishwa from USA.
Nishtha from Lucknow.
Vishwa from USA. I'm going to be in USA very soon, so you can come and meet me.
He means USA.
Yeah. Pramila from Malaysia. Mritika from Canada. Pramila from Malaysia.
Mritika.
Vishwa and Suganja. I feel I'm going to be very embarrassed when this interview comes out.
I'm sure.
But thank you so much, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I have a whole bunch of things that you guys keep sending. Not only this team of Krianians, however you say this, I all these years I just can't get it right. But yeah, it's very cute. Yeah, I love all these handmade things. They're very interesting. And we'll get some more few gifts
Soon.
to open as soon as they open halfway through and give it to us.
Love to see Kriyan smiling and talking. Hoping to see
This
you all
is for Karan.
on screen soon. Oh,
Am I gonna look cute or what?
dearest Christu, have been missing you and Kriyan a little something to spoil you. Lots of good wishes.
Ooh, how did you know I like white? Thank you. You didn't have to. Really, it's so sweet. You're sending it dresses.
I've understood your choice.
I'll have to get a little thinner, but I will try and fit myself in these as soon
I
as
might have to get a little thinner.
It is going to be my 3-month regime for New Year. So thank you so much for all these beautiful dresses. They're all for you. I'm sure Crystal D'Souza was very busy. She just started to take time out to try this. So I'm going to salvar the कपड़े आ गए.
Wow!
My name is Karan Thacker. You know my address. I'm sending you.
I love. Yay! How cool! I need to shop for a very long time. क्या उधर था? ये करण ने दिखाया that he's going to be wearing a red dress very soon.
The mermaids are spoiled. The scales are missing.
I think this is very cool.
How the chickens, you know, the fun thing of it.
Jealous with my clothes, so we'll move on from my clothes.
Who's this?
No name, but she always sends a lot of clothes.
Miss No Name, I have a
For
name, I
me.
have an address also. You know where to send gifts. You know, I always receive.
And she loves Kriyan a lot. That's it.
Right.
Tiger, how do they know?
No idea. I'm the one that can't do all those flips.
These hearts are perfect because you both are on it. How cute.
Very nice, yeah. I like how the paper is worn out and it's giving a slight vintage vibe. मतलब बड़े कोई पुराने ज़माने के टाइटैनिक में से निकाले हुए.
I think ये एक साल रखे देना है इसलिए.
But अच्छा लग रहा है उनको. I'm liking the vibe, even the worn out wood in the back.
Oh, I really like this photo.
Show this photo. Cute.
This is from one of our performances.
This is also from a day of one of our performances.
No, this is TSA.
So I performed, no?
But you weren't wearing
One
this
of
when you performed.
our performances.
You weren't wearing this when you performed. He's lying. Somebody's birthday. Keith's wedding. Very cute. And this is मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. What are you doing? I really like all the hearts. I think they are perfect, actually.